Good morning, everyone. I am Shreya Patidar. Our today's topic is VI Editor. What is VI Editor? VI stands for the Visual Text Editor. Vim is an expanded version of the VI. There are many ways to edit file in Unix. VI is one of the best way to edit. VI is the pre-installed with almost all the Unix systems, and VI implementation are very similar across the board. VI requires very few resources. VI is more user-friendly than other editors such as ED or EX. There are three VI editor modes. Normal modes or default mode for navigation and commands. Insert mode for inserting and editing text. Command line mode or EX mode for operation like save and quit. Starting the VI editor, we will write VI file name. Creates a new file if it already does not exist, otherwise open an existing file. To see the file present, we use ls-l option for long listing of files. We write vi-r with the file name. It opens an existing file into the read-only mode. Here you can see that when we write the vi file name, the command mode is opened. Here you can see that this tilde symbol shows the empty line and here the name of the file. If it is a new file, here new file is written. Normal mode or default mode. The default mode in VI editor is called the normal mode, also referred to as the command mode. When VI is launched, it starts in this mode by default. In normal mode, every key pressed is interpreted as command rather than input text. This mode is used for performing essential text editing tasks such as navigating, copying, deleting, and searching within the file. For example, pressing H moves the cursor left, L moves the cursor right along a line. Command like dd used to delete line, yy copy line, and further more commands. Since normal mode is a command centric, it provides powerful and efficient text manipulation capabilities, making it a critical aspect of working effectively with VI. Here are the navigation commands. K moves the cursor up, H moves the cursor left, G moves the cursor down, and L moves the cursor right. Editing, DD command is used for delete line, YY for copying line, P for paste, and U for undo the last action. Insert mode. Insert mode is one of the core modes in the VI editor used especially for inserting and editing text. VA mode is invoked by pressing a specific keys such as I, insert before cursor, A, append after cursor, O, open a new line, and the commands anymore. Once in insert mode, every key pressed is interpreted as a literal text input, allowing user to type content directly into the file. To exit insert mode and return to the normal mode, user press escape key. This is crucial as it allows user to alternate between writing text and executing commands. For example, a common flow might be enter insert mode using I. They type the desired content and press escape to save or move around using commands. Here are the commands. I insert before the current cursor position, capital I insert at the beginning of the current line, A append after the current cursor position, capital A append at the end of the line, O opens a new line below the current line, capital O open a new line above the current line, C for change, S for substitution, and R for replacing text starting at the cursor. EX mode. Command line mode, also referred to EX mode, is primarily used for file handling, searching, and replace operation and other powerful editors in VI. This mode is entered by typing colon while in the normal mode. Once the colon is pressed, cursor moves to the bottom of the screen where user can type an EX command. Common EX mode commands include :W save the current file, :Q to quit out, :WQ save and quit, :Q with exclamatory symbol quit without saving, :X save and quit similar to the :WQ but only saves if the changes were made. Here you can understand easily with the help of this diagram. Flowchart. Shell, command mode, input mode, EX mode. We had created here file VIFFOO. Then we insert into the command mode. From command mode to input mode, we use IAAORS. From input mode to back to the command mode, we use escape key. From command mode to EX mode, we use shift plus colon. From EX mode to the command mode, and from command mode to the shell, we use colon WQ, Q, and the shift Z to come out to the shell. Now we will run our commands into a terminal. We will write, first we will see the files which are present using ls command. You can see this number of files are present here. We will open an existing file using vi command, vi file.txt. As you can see that existing file is opened with the content is hello is written into that file. I press escape key, come out mode, we will press :WQ, this content will be saved into the file and we will come out. To see that file, create file.txt. The data which is present into that file is here. Now we will create a new file, my file manual. If I press I will enter into the insert mode. This is my first VI file. If I press escape and press small o, then the new line will be entered. Here we write, there are many ways to edit file. To come out from insert mode, we will press escape key. Now to come out from this file, we will press colon, as you can see here, colon WQ. This content will be saved into the file and we will come out of the insert mode. We will come out of the VI file. Now to see the content, we will press git my file 11. As you can see, this content is present into the file. Now if I want to open the VI file again, here now I am in the default mode. To read into this file, we have to press, you can see L is used to move the cursor to the right one character position. Yes. Now K, now J is used to move the one line down. K is used to move up, and H is used to move the cursor left one character position. Now again, if I press Shift ZZ, I am out of it. Let's open the file again. I press I to edit something into this file. For example, I had written one. For example, I had pressed Escape key. I want to switch to the end of the line. I will press capital E. As you can see that cursor comes to the end of the line. Again, I press something key to edit this file. I press escape key and press colon WQ to come out of this file and to save this text. Now, as I right click my file 11, you can see the data here. As I had edited one and this some text at the end of the line. Earlier, earlier there was this simple text. Thank you.